Most people think landing a general manager role is about working 80 hours a week, saying yes to everything, and grinding at work until you collapse. But the reality, that's the fastest way to burn out and maybe even get overlooked. Today, I want to share with you how you can step into a GM role without exhausting yourself and running yourself into the ground. So here's the truth. Hiring managers, they're not looking for a martyr. They're looking for leaders who have a great work ethic while bringing dedication, consistency, and an overall team player attitude. If you're burning yourself out before you even get the opportunity, you're showing the complete opposite of what they really want. And that is struggling to stay on the team. In other words, turnover. Hiring managers and leadership hate nothing more than turnover. So instead of saying yes to every task, start building a track record of delegation and results. When I'm placing GM candidates, I'm not asking how many hours do they work. I'm asking, can they build a team that works well when they're not in the room? That's leadership. So now let's talk about positioning yourself in the job search in a smart way. When you're job hunting, position yourself as the calm before the storm. Stress is the number one killer of GM candidates in interviews. If you show up frazzled or you start listing off every fire you put out, you look like a firefighter and not a general manager. Instead, talk about systems, talk about accountability, talk about how you created stability in the chaos. That makes employers lean in because they want someone who can reduce their stress, not add to it. Another important skill is protecting your energy. This is the part that nobody talks about. You can't land a GM role if you're already running on fumes. Don't apply to 50 roles blindly. Target 5 to 7 that actually fit. Take care of your routines, exercise, sleep, family time, because that's what keeps you sharp in interviews. And if you're a candidate aiming for your next big move, I got more videos coming in on interview prep, salary negotiation, and leadership growth. So stay tuned. I'm Jeremy Nichols, headhunter in Florida with Gecko Hospitality. And if you watch this video, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.